Welcome to this hands-on exercise. This exercise is about how to use a pre-trained deep learning model to convert images into machine learning compatible features. In this exercise, we use a pre-trained CNN model, ResNet-50, to extract meaningful features from images without training a deep network from scratch. We pre-process the images by resizing and normalizing them so they match the model's expected input format. The model then generates high-level feature vectors that capture important visual patterns such as edges, textures, shapes, and object parts. We save these extracted features to a CSV file, which can later be used for tasks like image classification, clustering, similarity search, or visualizing patterns with PCA or TSNE. Finally, we repeat the same workflow inside Amazon SageMaker to understand how machine learning tasks run in a cloud environment and to gain hands-on experience that is useful for AWS certification exams. First, we will complete this exercise without using Amazon SageMaker. We will run everything locally in IntelliJ IDEA. You may use any other IDE, as long as you have a Python environment set up. I have already copied several images that we will use. Now, let's create a new Jupyter Notebook file. Install the required Python libraries. Import the required libraries into the notebook. Next, we will load a pre-trained CNN model called ResNet-50. A pre-trained CNN model has already been trained on a large dataset, such as ImageNet. It has learned to detect useful patterns in images, such as edges, textures, shapes, and object parts. Now, let's pre-process the images. We will resize, normalize, and batch them. Next, we will define a feature extraction function. Then, we will extract features from all images. Finally, we will save the extracted features. As you can see, the saved features are displayed here. Once the features are saved as a CSV file, they become useful for many machine learning tasks. Now let's perform the same exercise using Amazon SageMaker. Even though the dataset is small, practicing SageMaker is valuable. Hands-on experience with AWS services helps you answer exam questions more confidently. Navigate to Amazon SageMaker. Since there is no SageMaker domain yet, we must create one. The default quick setup option is fine. The SageMaker domain has now been created. Let's launch SageMaker Studio. Create a new Jupyter Notebook. Provide a space name for Jupyter Lab. You can see that it is launching a notebook using T3.medium instance type. Run the space. Open Jupyter Lab. Create a new Jupyter Notebook using the Python kernel. I will create a new folder for the images and upload them. From this point onward, the steps are similar to what we did earlier in IntelliJ IDEA. Now I will copy and paste the images into this folder. Let me rename this notebook. Install the required libraries. Import the required libraries. Load the pre-trained ResNet 50 model. Preprocess the images. Define the feature extraction function. Extract features from all images. Save the extracted features. As you can see, the saved features are displayed here. This concludes the exercise. Remember to delete any AWS resources you created to avoid unnecessary charges. Stop the space. Now let's remove the space using the AWS CLI. The Jupyter Lab space for this user has now been deleted. Next, we can delete the user profile. Once the user profile is deleted, we can safely delete the SageMaker domain. This completes the tutorial.